Okay. Find the volume. Question number 1. Find the volume and total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid. Question number 1. Length दिया है 15 सेंटीमीटर, breadth दिया है 10 centimeter, and height is 8 centimeter. This is question number 1. Question number 2, they have given length is 3.5 meter, breadth is 2.6 meter, and height is 90 centimeter. Start doing it. You know the formulas?
सर फर्स्ट आएगा सब सेंटीमीटर.
हाँ, फर्स्ट वाला सारा सेंटीमीटर है. पहले formulas, write down step by step. Write down the formulas in your notebook and do step by step.
सेवन हंड्रेड
700 is what? Total surface area or volume?
टोटल सरफेस एरिया.
And volume?
वन 1200 centimeter.
So we are going to find the first one, volume of cuboid, and the second one we are going to find the total surface area of the cuboid. Correct? So this is what they are asking. So what is the formula for volume of the cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Now what is the formula for the total surface area of cuboid? 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus H into L. Right? So here in the first question they have given 15 into 10 into how much? 8?
8.
Yes, the multiply now. 120, 1200?
Yes, 1200 centimeter.
Yes, 1200. Now look at this. See, mathematics is not about finding the values. Mathematics is not about multiplying, getting the answer 1200. What is mathematics? This last part, what is a unit? I already told you, if it is volume, the answer will be in centimeter cube or meter cube or mm to the power of 3. Why it is cube? Because 3 dimension. Why it is cube? Because it is 3 dimension. Length, breadth, height. So now tell me, in the question, the length is given in 15 centimeter or in meter? Centimeter. Everything is given in centimeter. So here, if I multiply centimeter, 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 how many centimeters you have? 3 centimeters. So what you are going to do? 1200 centimeter cube. Try to mute yourself, everyone on the screen here, online guys. Mute कर दो सब लोग और वीडियो ब्लॉक कर दो अपना अपना. अगर डाउट है तो अनम्यूट करके क्वेश्चन पूछना. तो समझ में आया सभी को? ओके. अभी ये है टोटल सरफेस एरिया. So 2 into 15 into 10. Okay, then 10 into 8, then 8 into sorry, correct? 15, correct? ऐसा. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करो आपका आंसर मिलेगा 700.
बराबर.
परमेश.
यस सर.
म्यूट करो वीडियो भी ये करो, ब्लॉक करो. सेकंड क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो अभी सब लोग. There is an option called as mute. माइक बटन दिख रहा है आपके स्क्रीन में? परमेश Can you see a mic button on your screen mobile में?
Yes.
हाँ उसको दबाओ. हाँ अभी वीडियो भी एक बटन दिख रहा होगा ना उसको भी दबाओ और मैं सॉल्व करो फटाक से. हाँ बस. अगर डाउट है तो अनम्यूट करके पूछो. See now the next question. Be careful here. Okay. Look at this. The length is 3.5 meter. Length किस में दिया है? मीटर में दिया है. Breadth किस में दिया है? मीटर में दिया है. But height किस में दिया है? Height किस में दिया है? सेंटीमीटर में. I want everything in meter or I want everything in centimeter. It is your wish. Okay. You think that okay. Let this be in centimeter. I will convert this into centimeter. You can do it. But what is easy here? Only one data given in centimeter. Whenever you see whenever you see centi, you should keep one thing in mind. Okay, tell me, during India and I think Bangladesh or some match was going on, there was an Indian batsman who had to hit a century and umpire helped him.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, umpire ने help किया था. क्या help किया था umpire? White नहीं दिया था. It was a clear white, but umpire did not get any. He did not give a signal of white. Yes or no? वो incident मालूम है अभी हुआ था 2 दिन पहले. Okay. So then Virat Kohli hits some runs and he scored dash. What will I use a word? He scored what?
Century.
Yes, he scored century. So this is a word cent. Cent मतलब 100%. Percent मतलब कितना होता है?
500.
100. Cent मतलब कितना हो गया? 100. Centum. How many of you want to score centum in mathematics? Centum मतलब क्या?
100%.
सेंट मतलब 100 याद रखना. ठीक है. तो सेंटी मतलब क्या हो गया? सेंटम का सिस्टर समझो. सेंटम इज ब्रदर, सेंटी इज सिस्टर. So once again, what is going to come here? 100. So divide 90 by 100. Whenever you see centi, 0 cancel. What you get?
9 by 10.
0.9. 9 by 10 is what?
0.9.
0.9. So 0.9 meter. You understand? So now you can convert everything into meter. 3.5 meter, 2.6 meter and 0.9 meter. Now use the same formula, you get the answer. Did you all get it? Easy है, कर पाओगे? At least you tell me the volume or any one of the values. Next question. The volume of a cuboid. The volume of a cuboid is 3456 centimeter cube. 3456 centimeter cube. Write down the next question. If its length is equal to 24 centimeter and breadth is equal to 18 centimeter and breadth is equal to 18 centimeter, find its height. Find its height. Find its height. Ready the question?
Sir, पहले का 29.18. The last question.
The last one, okay. Move ahead with the next question. Yeah. The volume of cuboid is 3456. They have given two data. That is the length and the breadth.
Sir, the height is 8 centimeter.
8 centimeter. Fine, we'll check it. Yes, you're getting the answer. I know the formula for volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Now be careful. Volume they have given some value. The unit is what? Centimeter cube. So I should understand the length, breadth and the height will be in centimeter only, right? So just check it. Length is in centimeter, breadth is in centimeter. So definitely height will also be in centimeter. So write down 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 24 into 18 into h. You have to find the height. Now divide this everything. What you get? You get 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 24 into 18 is equal to height. How much you got? 8.
Yes, sir.
Imagine 2 9s, 2 1 7, again 7 8, again 12. This is 8 6, 8 6 9. Then again 3 2s are 6. 3 no. How much you got? 8. Sorry. Next question. Take down question number 2. The volume of cuboid is 7.68 meter cube. If its length is equal to 24 centimeter and if its length is 3.2 meter, okay, not centimeter, 3.2 meter, and height is 1 meter, find its breadth. Find its breadth.
Sir, 48.
How much you got?
48.
48. Let me see. No, 48 नहीं है.
Sir, 24.
Yes, 24 is correct. 24 क्या है?
Per meter.
No. No. Okay, 24 is correct, but there is a small. How much you got? You got it, Shrivya? No. Okay, then देखो सब लोग. Volume is equal to what? Length into breadth into height. You can do this. Only the problem is this point is going to disturb you. Correct? 7.68 is equal to length is 3.2, height is 1. You have to find the breadth. After point, how many digits you have? 1 and 2. So what I do, I can write this as 768 by 100. I can write it like this, 768 by 100. This is nothing but 32 by 10 into what is the same number. Now this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. Now 32 comes here. That means 768
By
you can say by 32 into 10. Keep 10 as it is, and this is breadth. Now let us do by 2 table. 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 2 16s are 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 3 8 4. Again, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Next, again, 2 4s are 2 9s are 18, 96. Now, 2 2s are 248s are correct. 2 1s are 24. तो मुझे लास्ट में क्या मिला 24 और इधर ये क्या है 10. आपने 10 छोड़ दिया तो क्या होगा 24 by 10 is equal to B. Down how many zeros you have? 1. So after this number you put a point. So what you get 2.4. What is this, centimeter or meter? Meter. So what is the answer? 2.4. If you get 2.4, teacher is not going to give you marks. Mathematics is not about this number. I want the units, whether it is meter or cube or area, whatever. समझ में? Everyone got? At least you got 24?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, good. Next. What about Aisha? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So next question. Question number 3. The breadth and height. The breadth and height of the breadth and height of a rectangular solid are 1.20 meter and 80 centimeter if volume of cuboid is equal to 1.92 meter cube. Find its length. Be careful, check the units, then you move forward.
Two meter.
हाइट कितना है?
80 centimeter.
कितना लिया?
0.8 meter.
तो फिर क्यों गलत आ रहा है?
Sir, 50
सेंटीमीटर में आएगा ही नहीं ना, मुझे चाहिए नहीं सेंटीमीटर में, because I want the answer in what? Meter 21.
Sir, 2 meter.
हाँ, कितना मिला?
2 meter.
2 meter is correct. Yes, you got it. क्या हो गया? श्रेया,
Sir, 191.
don't panic, don't be in hurry, आराम से करो, आ जाएगा. 2 मीटर मिला, अन्विता को मिला. क्या पे गलत हो रहा है देखो सब लोग. वॉल्यूम फॉर्मूला है लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ इनटू हाइट. वॉल्यूम मुझे किस में दिया है? मीटर क्यूब. सो 1.92. लेंथ मुझे ढूंढना है. ब्रेड्थ कितना है? 1.2 20 मीटर. हाइट कितना है? 80 सेंटीमीटर. 70, what I told you, 70 means what? Divide by 100. Divide by 100. 0 0 cancel. Now don't reduce it further. Don't take it as 4 by 5, something like that. Take it as 0.8. Okay, now how many, what is this here? 1.92. And this is 1.20 into 0.8 is equal to L. Now solve this. How much you get? 2 you should get it. Yeah, you got it. You got 2. Next question. The length breadth and height. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are in ratio 5:3:2. If its volume is 240 centimeter cube, find its dimension, find its dimensions, and also total surface area,
The length is 40, breadth is 24, and height is 16.
Like this.
40. Height is 16, breadth is 24.
Okay. What about rest of you guys? Anvita को क्या हो गया? नहीं हो रहा है। कल हमने किया था ये क्वेश्चन। Okay, good. Go ahead. X कितना मिला? 2 root 2. Why you got 2?
The root 8 क्या ना?
Cube root of 8 चाहिए, not square root of 8. X cube is equal to 8, correct? No. So x will be equal to 2. So I think it is 10, 6 and 4.
10, 6.
We'll check it, no issues. See, now I'm going to do with the lengthy method which your school expects you to do, and then I'll tell you the shortcut where in competitive examination you can use it. Look at this. I know the formula of volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height, correct? Here, the length, breadth and height, they have given in ratio. What is this? 5:3:2. 5 is not the length. It is a units, 5 units, 3 units, 2 units. I don't know how much it is. So whatever length I have, take it x. So this becomes 5x, this becomes 3x, and this becomes 2x. This becomes how much? 2x. So now length is 5x, breadth is 3x, and height is 2x. I take this into this formula. Volume how much they have given? Pens down, look here, everyone. Okay, so what happens? 240 is equal to, ये कितना है? 5x into 3x into 2x. Is it right? Yes. Now tell me, 5 into 2 is how much? 10. That 10 का 8 0 इसका 8 0 cancel. Correct? Now 3 1s are 3 8s are. So left hand side I get 8. Now what is remaining? X, x, x. How many x you have? X to the power of 3. Now I want the value of x. So what I do? Taking what? Taking cube root. How many of you know how to find the cube root? Yeah, you know how to find the cube root. So what happens? Cube root of 8. This is cube root of x cube, like this. You get 2 is equal to x. So what is the value you got for x? 2. So this value you are going to substitute here. So this becomes 5 into 2. This becomes 3 into 2. This becomes 2 into 2. So this becomes 10, 6, and 4. So what is the length? 10. What is the breadth? 6, and height is 4. This I got the dimensions. One part of the question is over. Next, what you have to find? Total surface area. You can use the formula and get the answer. This is the method which your school teacher will expect you to do to give you marks. Okay, now, but now in competitive examination, you cannot waste time like this. So look at this: length, breadth, and height. 5. Then you have how much? 3, and then you have how much? 2. So 5 plus 3, how much? 8. 8 plus 2? 10. 5 divided by 10 into 240. How much you get?
120.
Otherwise, wait a minute. You can do like this. Okay. So this is total 10 units. Correct. This total 10 units is equal to how much they have given? 240.
Yes, sir.
240. Okay. So 0024. Ratio and proportion, right? So these are in the ratio of 5:3:2. So total is 10 units. And this 10 unit is equal to volume. Okay, 3 dimension ho gaya. So if you multiply 24 here, you have to multiply 24, 24, 24. Now this becomes bigger number.
सर वो 10 यूनिट्स को यहाँ उसके बाद 10x is equal to 240 वो टू डायमेंशन में आ जाएगा सर.
Okay, fine. देखो, in ratio proportion, we use this kind of shortcuts. Okay, directly take adding these units. 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 units becomes this much, and then we can come back in reverse direction. Okay, since it is volume 3D, okay, here the ratio proportion trick won't work. In the next type of question, I will help you out to do the ratio and proportion tricks. Okay. Next question, take it down. Everyone got this?
Yes,
At least you got the value of x is equal to 2.
yes, sir.
Okay, next take it down. Same type of question, ready? फटाफट लिखो. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are length, breadth, height of cuboid are 6:5:3. If its total surface area is, if its total surface area is 504 centimeters, 504 centimeters square, find its dimension. Find its dimensions. Also find the volume. Find its dimension and also find its volume. Same type of question. ऐसा किसी को मिला? देखो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, टोटल सरफेस एरिया दिया है, समझ में आया? They haven't given volume. What is the formula for total surface area? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, so volume, total surface area they have given 504, 2 into. This is in ratio. So can I consider as 6x, 5x, and 3x? So this becomes how much? 6x into 5x plus 5x into 3x plus 3x into 6x. Correct? Now what happens? 6 into 5 is how much? This becomes 30x plus 5 into 3. This is 15x plus 3 into 6. This becomes 18x square. This is square and this is square. And this is how much? 504. So 504 is equal to 2 into 30 plus 15, 45. 45 plus 18. Calculate how much it is? 60.
3.
45 plus 18. 63, no?
Yes, sir.
63x square. So now this both number, that is 504 divided by 2 into 63 is equal to x square will come here. Now solve this. Now solve this. We can divide this. We can make it as a half. 2 to the 4. 252.
Sir, this value is
How much?
2.
X square.
Seven 720 centimeter cube.
So this 7 ones are 760, 66. Sorry. So 36, correct? 9 ones are 9 fours are. That means 4 is equal to x square. So taking square root on both sides, what you get?
2.
X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. I got x. Now the ratio of the length, breadth and height, they are given how much? 6 is to how much?
6 is to 5 is 3.
5 is to 3. So multiply this to how much you get? This you get 12, 10 and 6. 12, 10 and 6. Now you want to find the volume. Multiply all these things to get 720 centimeter cube. You got the volume. Easy?
Sir.
सबको आ गया आंसर? उत्तम को अमृता को आ गया आंसर? चलो next question. What about this girl here, Anisha?
Yes, sir.
Take down. Next question. Find the volume and total surface area of. Find volume and total surface area of cube. The first question is 8 centimeter, and the second question is 2 meter 40 centimeter.
2.4 meters.
बोल रहे हैं?
That first one का E8.
क्या किया? 8 क्यूब किया? कितना मिला?
That first one is volume is 512 centimeter cube and total surface area is 384.
What is volume of cube? Volume of cube is what? Side cube. So in first case, 8 का cube कितना है? I told you to by heart till 10 cube. Correct? How much you get? 512. Now look at the unit. This is what? Centimeter cube. Okay, remember this. Now here, this is 2 meter. 40 centimeter, if I want to convert it centimeter, I'll divide by 100. 0, 0 cancel. So you get 4 by 10. Or can I write this as 0.4 meter? Right? I can write it as 0.4 meter. Add this 2. 2 plus 0.4. How much you get? 2.4. So here the side is how much? 2.4, right? If you take the cube, you get the answer for the volume of this, and then you can find the total surface area also. 6 into side square. So 6 into 64 in this case. Easy? मिला दोनों को? सभी को मिला? Yes. 2.4 cube. Find out. 576 into 24, you do it, you get it.
13.82.
What is the total surface area of the first one? Formula for total surface area? 6 into side square. Correct now? ये side कितना दिया? 8. 6 into 64. How much you get?
388.
Everyone got it? Same thing can you do for the next one also? Ready? Let us move forward to the next question. Find the length. Find the length of each edge. Find the length of each edge of a cube. If its volume is the first one 216 centimeter cube and the second one 1.728 meter cube. This is meter cube.
Sir, first one it's 6.
Length how much you got? 6 का क्यूब कितना है बस बोलो? 6 का क्यूब कितना है?
216.
आप फिर उसका क्यूब रूट क्या हो जाएगा? 216 इधर है. You have this in front of your eyes. That's it. That's it. You need not solve. You saved your time.
Sir, second one is 1.2.
In higher classes, I'll tell you the shortcut. Vedic mathematics shortcut, how to find the square root and cube root and all. Okay? But time being, you have to be thorough with this method. 12 mila, second ka, 1.2.
3 decimals.
12 by 1000 you got, something like that. 1000.
Sir, I didn't calculate.
Then
Sir,
you know the cube of 12. Good, very good. See, how she save the time. Look at this. She knows 12 cube is how much? 1728. 15 tak, I think till 15 you have added the cubes, right? Okay. She knows it. That means answer क्या आएगा? 12. But यहाँ पे क्या है? Point. तो इधर मैंने एक point रख दिया. खत्म. Problem over. No, need not solve it. Okay, fine. Shall we move forward now? You can find the length of each side. Next, question number 7. The total surface area of a cube. The total surface area of a cube is 216 centimeters square. Find its volume. Find its volume. Start with me.
Sir, 216
216 centimeter cube.
Once again, same thing. Try it properly. Write down the formulas and do it stepwise. Don't be in hurry. You are not writing the questions, both of you? किधर है? किधर है question? वो तो given data है.
PSA is equal
वो देखो क्वेश्चन लिखने के बाद उनका आंसर आ रहा है. क्वेश्चन लिखो. देखो, if you want to see, what are the books I have, what are the materials I have. Only for mathematics, I have study material more than 45,000 to 50,000. You understand? Now you have come here so that maths ka alag source mein se I can teach you, I can make your maths easy. You can also make your maths easy sitting at your home. If you have purchased all this 45,000 to 50,000 range mathematics books, you can do it. I'll give you the book list. You sit in home, purchase all the mathematics books and start preparing it. But you will take so much time. It will take 1 year to 2 years. So these questions are selected. I'm giving you easy question so that you find it easy. Directly, I can tell you my talent. See, I'm going to tell you tough questions. I don't want to show my talent by threatening you. This is maths. क्वेश्चन लिखो सभी लोग, फॉर्मूलास भी लिखो, स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाओ. इजी है. अभी देखो टोटल सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या है? टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 6 into side square. करेक्ट ना? तो टोटल सरफेस एरिया मुझे दिया है यहाँ पे कितना? 216. So write down 216 is equal to 6 into this is side square. 6 comes down. That means 2165. 6. Yeah. How much is it?
36.
6 square root.
Yes. You can write this 6 as 2 into 3. This is equal to side square. Now look at this. 3 ones are 3, 72. So 72 ka half 36 हो गया. So 36 is equal to side square. So side is equal to 6. Correct? The volume of the cube. 6 cube कितना हो गया? Once again 216. So what is the volume of the cube here?
216.
Next, write down. Sorry. A solid cube of edge 14 centimeter is melted down and recast into smaller and equal cubes each of edge 2 centimeter. Find the number of smaller cubes obtained. Find the number of smaller cubes obtained. Start doing it. Have you written down the question? Yes, answer. Anvita, tell me. Yeah. क्या हो गया उत्तर?
343.
343. See, here what is the clue? Yesterday I told you, if you see a word that is melt, what you are going to find? Volume. So there is a big cube here. This is the bigger cube. Okay. This is melted and made into many smaller cubes. Many smaller cubes. The side of this is 14 and side of this is 2. So how many smaller cubes I get? That is the question. So what I should do, tell me now?
Find the volume of both the cubes.
Yes. The formula becomes like this. Number of smaller cubes. Okay, the number of smaller cubes is equal to the volume of the bigger cube divided by what?
Volume.
Volume of the smaller cube. So look at this. 14 into 14 into 14 divided by 2 into 2 into 2. How many of you multiplied 14 into 14? 196. 196 into 14. You did like that? You wasted your time. Look at this. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 2 ones are 2 sevens are 2 ones are 2 sevens are 7 into 7 into 7. They are asking what is the value of 7 cube. What is the answer? 343. That's it. अभी तुम क्या करोगे? 14 का cube निकालोगे. You get some big number. 2 का cube 8. Again reduce it. Again, if you spend time, you will math stuff. That's it. Keep it easy, simple. 343 is the answer. You got it? Next. Next question, take it down. 4 cubes. 4 cubes. Each of side 9 centimeter are joined. Find its volume and total surface area. Find its volume and total surface area. Yeah. Oh, they join together.
अब वो कीबोर्ड के फॉर्म में
करो मेरे को पूछना नहीं. अब मैं पूछ दिया तो फिर आंसर बता दिया तो फिर क्या करो. Use your mind. We have done this yesterday, right? And we just switch on that light, no, backside. Yes, answer.
Sir, volume 2616.
Volume.
2616 centimeter.
Yes, Anvita, tell me what is the logic here? What happens here? What is
So first we have to find the volume.
of what?
Cube.
Of
one
each
cube.
cube.
Of 1 cube, you have to find out the volume. Then you do 4.
Mm-hmm.
Then again,
No. Okay, look here. I'll tell you that. See what happens. This is a cube. Like this, how many cubes I have?
4
I have 4 cubes. These 4 cubes I'm joining together. Matlab, I'm keeping cubes like this closer to each other. You understand? I'm joining it. That is a question. 4 cubes each of side 9 centimeter joined. मैंने join किया. तो ये कितना है 9. ये कितना है 9. Now what is the total length? What is the total length? 36. So this is the length. Now tell me, it looks like what?
cuboid.
It looks like cuboid. This will be 9, height will be 9. Breadth and height will not change. Correct? So now what happens? Length is 36, breadth is 9, and height is 9. So this is cuboid. Indirectly what they are asking you? They are asking you to find the volume of the cuboid and the total surface area of the cuboid. You have to use the cuboid formula, not the cube formula. Do you understand? Yeah. So what is the answer you got? Yeah. What is the answer you got? 2, 6. Yes, Anisha, what is the answer you got?
Sir, 2, 6. So 1 second, I wrote something. Sir, volume I got 2616. No, sorry, 2916.
2916 is correct answer. And the total surface area will be 1458.
Okay, sir.
14. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we have done basic level of questions of cube and cuboid. Once again, we'll do this cube and cuboid by next week. The next chapter will be called as cylinder, right? Circular cylinder. That will do it, but take a break of 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, after 5 to 10 minutes, we'll continue with the class. Okay, chalo. I'll send you the link in the Google Classroom. You can take break now. Which one?
Like I told, find out the one cube volume,
Hmm.
then you do 4.
Hmm.
I was the same.
You okay? You have taken the volume of the 4. Now try with total surface area. Just check with total surface area. You find imagine according to you. Okay, according to you, the thing is, let us find total surface area of this separately. Total surface area of the cube formula is 6 into side square. So 6 into 81. So how much you get?
It's 481.
481 you got? Is it right? And 481 into 4 you have to do once again. Correct? How much you get?
486.
क्या हो गया? No. 81 into 6 करो जल्दी से. We'll check whether your step is correct. I'll tell you that what mistake you have. 6 into 9 square. 9 square over
486.
9 square is okay. 486. This is for how many cube? 1 cube. 1 cube total surface area. Now we have to find this total surface area of 4 because all the 4 cubes are joined according to her logic. So we'll check whether it is right or wrong. How much you get? 1944. But what is the answer I told you? 1728, something like that, right? See, the answer for this question should be 2196. 2916 is the volume. And the total surface area should be 1458. Is it? Look at this now. Either they go with up. I want this answer 1458. But what is the answer you got? 1944. Is it right? No. So the logic which you are taking in mind that separately you are finding the total surface area of this, that is wrong. Why that is wrong? I'll explain you that also. See.
Sir, because वो अंदर का count.
हाँ, अंदर का मैंने एक साइड को क्या कर दिया मैंने? Join कर दिया. This is a cube. This is a cube. I'm joining. So what is the total surface area? ऊपर का area, ये area, नीचे का area, side का दो area, पीछे का area. Calculating that all total, I get what? Total surface area. Are you understanding? See, imagine this is the cuboid. Okay, this is the cuboid. Okay, now tell me how many faces we have? 6 faces you have. Now this is length, this is breadth, this is height. Okay, now imagine if I take this one. नीचे वाला और ऊपर वाला क्या शेप में है? रेक्टेंगल शेप में, राइट? सो कैन आई से 2 into area of rectangle. अभी 2 into area of rectangle क्या हो जाता है? Length into breadth, राइट? Length into breadth. नीचे वाला एरिया हो गया, ऊपर वाला एरिया हो गया. अभी इस साइड में क्या दिया है? B और ऊपर क्या दिया है? H. ये एक साइड है और ये एक साइड है, इधर का साइड, राइट? सो कितना, ये भी क्या शेप में है? रेक्टेंगल. सो इफ आई वांट टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस, व्हाट हैपेंस? एरिया ऑफ व्हाट? रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर? वंस अगेन रेक्टेंगल. हाउ मेनी रेक्टेंगल्स यू हैव? 2 rectangles. So what happens? 2 into area of rectangle. What is this now? B into H. B into H. ये दोनों हो गया. ऊपर नीचे हो गया, लेफ्ट एंड राइट हो गया. अभी क्या बाकी है? फ्रंट एंड बैक. Front and back. So now look at this. This is front L, and what is this? Height. So back also the same thing is there. So how many rectangles you have? 2 rectangles. So can I say 2 into L into H? 2 into L into H. Adding all these 3, I get the total surface area. Surface means what? Outside. Surface means what? Outside. Total adding this 3. Shall we add it? 2 into how much you get? LB plus what is this?
2 LH.
LH plus what is this?
2 H.
2BH. Correct? What is common in this?
LV plus DH.
You understand? This is what is the formula for total surface area of the cuboid. What is the mistake you are doing? When I'm joining this cuboid, if you separately take the total surface area of the cube, you are trying to take the face which is inside. Are you understanding? So here there is a cube, here there is a cube, two cubes are joined. So this side and this side it is joined. But I'm taking this complete as a cuboid. So what is your mistake here? You're taking this face and this face. That is why you are getting extra. You got some 1,9 something like that, right? Why that is extra? Because unnecessarily you have taken the surface of the hidden one. You understand? So avoid this mistake. Chalo, fine. You take a break now.